So after my last Tesla video, I got an incredible comment from someone who literally used to work for Tesla. And he shared a few things that as a Tesla owner for over a year now, I had no idea about. Number one, set up your Tesla account the right way. Now forget the website. Tesla has moved almost everything into the app. So if you're about to get a Tesla, just download the app and create an account. Once you've done that, add the car to the app and it will only show you what you can actually buy for your specific Tesla. That way you don't waste your time on money on stuff you can't actually use. Number two, keys, cards, and even rings. There are three main ways to unlock your Tesla: the NFC key card, the key fob, and on your phone via Bluetooth. But here's the thing, not every Tesla supports all of these. Newer models use the card, but older ones don't. And here's a fun hack. You actually buy a third-party Tesla ring with an NFC chip inside and use it as your key. That's pretty slick. Number three, AP, EAP, and FSD. Tesla owners love to throw around the word FSD, but here's the truth. There's a big difference between AP, autopilot, enhanced autopilot, EAP, and full self-driving. Now, they are all driver assist systems, but each one offers a different set of features. AP or autopilot, this is the standard package included with every Tesla. Think of it as advanced cruise control. It keeps your car in lane and manages speed using adaptive cruise. It makes long motorway drives easier, but you still have to keep your hands on the wheel and pay attention at all times. EAP or Enhanced Autopilot is a step up from the basic AP. EAP adds extra features like navigate on autopilot where the car can automatically change lanes and take motorway exits, auto lane change, summon, moving the car in and out of tight spaces, and auto park. Tesla stopped selling this in many regions, but older cars that had it purchased still keep it. Now FSD, full self-driving. Now, despite the name, FSD isn't full self-driving. It builds on EAP's features and adds things like traffic light and stop sign control, access to Tesla's FSD beta in supported regions. That beta is what allows cars to attempt city street driving, turning, and navigating junctions. But it's still classed as level 2 driver assistance, meaning that you are still responsible for the car at all times. Now, number 4, smart charging habits. Now, you've probably heard, don't charge past 80%. I've said it as well. But here's a nuance. If you're only driving short trips, just set your charge limit lower, like 60 or 80%. Then once in a while, drain your battery down to about 10% and recharge to 100% using a level 2 charger. That keeps your battery management system calibrated. Number 5, avoid the battery health check trap. Now, I actually said this in my last video, and I guess ignore that because yes, this whole battery check thing sounds useful. It's wrong. Older Teslas running a battery health check can actually kill the battery pack. It puts a massive strain on it, and owners have reported failures within months. Instead, use a third-party app like Tezzy to monitor battery health without any risks. So there you go. 5 inside tips from someone who's actually been deep in the Tesla world. Which one surprised you most? Let me know in the comments, and if you've got your own hidden Tesla hacks, share them. I might just feature them in the next video.